This is how people are pulling insane money from meme coins in 2026. And most of you still have no idea these strategies even exist. What's up, fellas? Today I'm breaking down the real ways people are making money in meme coins and where the real opportunities are. If you understand how this market really works, your entire trading approach on meme coins will change. Let's get into it. First thing you need to understand, meme coins move because of attention and narratives. If nobody is talking about a coin, it's dead, no matter how good it looks. That's why tracking trends is everything. Whoever sees the narrative first wins. That's what we do in our Discord. Link is in the description. Most beginner traders act like this. They click random coin and they hope one moons. That's gambling. And around 99% of new pairs, fast money grabs. Unless there is a strong narrative with public attention. But if you want better odds, you must check this website. Shout out to SolPump for sponsoring today's video. SolPump is the best on-chain Solana gambling website available to play on. It's my favorite place to play blackjack when the markets are down and trenches are dry. All you gotta do to play is just connect any Solana wallet like Phantom, then bet directly out of your wallet and play any of their games. You can play 50-50 Solana coin flip game, on-chain blackjack, which is my favorite one, and Crash. SolPumps give you a free case you can open and win up to 10 Sol daily. There are also hourly Solana airdrops you can claim just by playing. On top of that, they have their own SolPump token, which you can earn on each bet as a cashback. It's literally free money. Don't forget to use code GREENROOM to get your welcome rewards, and check out SolPump to collect your daily case and win big. Now let's get back to the video. This is where tools like Axiom become insanely powerful. If you want to trade with lower fees, my link is in the description. With Axiom, you can track new pairs, migrations, wallet activity, with volume in real time, with many more features. Also, it can help you to avoid rugs before they happen. And if you want a full breakdown on how to spot potential rugs, I made a full video about it. Check this video out. The best trades usually come from coins with strong narrative, coins that are migrated or about to migrate, trading coins after migration and becoming part of the community. That means driving engagement, pushing tweets, and onboarding new people to build real hype. Strong communities create volume, liquidity, and sustainable price movement. Another edge is tracking experienced traders and learning from their wallets. Watching how smart money enters, scales, and exits can save you years of mistakes and help you avoid emotional decision making. This is exactly what we do inside our Discord. We analyze coins, track wallets, follow narratives, and filter out scam coins. More eyes in the market equals less mistakes. Second method is the fastest way people make money, but only if they are early. This is more advanced strategy called vamping. You track influential Twitter accounts, viral tweets, X-trends, and new software releases. The moment something starts trending, you instantly launch a coin around it, becoming the dev and capturing attention before everyone else. This strategy allows you to make money by creating a value for traders and earning from trading fees. To pull this off, you need a third-party tools to track tweets in real time and launch them fast. Let me know in the comments if you want video on how to launch coins using this strategy. Third method is building your own meme coin. Lets you create a whatever you want and turn it into something people actually engage with. The value doesn't come from trying to sound serious. People buy meme coins for fun, and they often outperform serious projects. Someone literally counted to 1 million on stream. Another person drew a 1 million circles in 3 days, and both made a ridiculous amount of money. It wasn't that deep or complicated. It was just entertaining. That's it. If you don't want to create your own, you can find abandoned coins and CTO them by rebuilding community and creating a fresh narrative that is led by today's trends. And last method is educational purposes only. Let's step inside the dark side of crypto. Rugs are part of it and they are unavoidable. This method is quite complicated. By bundling into the coin and holding major supply of it, by manipulating the chart, many ruggers use different methods, waiting for narrative to form, launching pre-made projects, or even creating fake tweets, then copying a coin, bundling it to the top and selling on people who bites after them. Understanding this gives you a massive trading edge in avoiding rugs. Alright, let's wrap it up. Memecoin trading in 2026 is not losing its pace. And don't forget to join our Discord. If this helped, like and subscribe. It motivates us to create more for you. I will see you in the next one.